Want to get your group buzzing with opinions or just have fun with a quick poll? It's easier than you think to create a poll in a Facebook group, and I'm here to show you how in just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to create a poll on Facebook. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Facebook app on your screen, and on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then select the group icon right below the memories. Once you are in the group, you can see multiple options. Now select the group you wish to create the poll. Tap on the Write Something box. This is where the magic starts. Below that, list your answer option. Keep it simple, clear, and easy to vote on. Additionally, if you want to add more options to your poll, tap on the Add Poll option. Finally, hit Done at the top right and on Post. And your poll is live in the group. Now sit back and watch the votes come in. So this is how to create a poll on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.